I have a Cub Cadet Series 1000-1050. My front wheels are going in different directions. I replaced tie rod ends. I replaced bushings at opposite end where they attached to steering gear. I tried all adjustments that I could. Can you tell me anything that I can try to correct wheel alignment that will work?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Full-size image. This is LTX 1050. The tie rods are the likely problem. They come pre-bent, so without a new one to compare to, it's hard to tell where it is bent. You could remove the rod ends at the front wheels, turn the wheels straight and then see what needs to be done to the rods to bend them to line up with the holes. It will take that or a set of new rods to make wheels straight. I doubt there is enough adjust in the ball joints to screw them in or out to get correct alignment. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Scroll up to view response and diagram.
I gave wrong model, it's 1024-1000 series. I'm under the impression now that it may be the axle pivot bar cast part #NNN. Reason I think that it might be this part not tight to the frame. It pivots up and down, but also will move back and forth slightly, almost like tilting back and for slightly, not a lot. Please reply back, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.